Hello friends, welcome. Today let us introduce you our new product. We call it 3-in-1 snacks maker. If you will see here, we are showing detachable non-stick coating. These are the plates which include grill, waffle, sweet maker. Let me show you below with the picture. It is the grill. Here it's showing the grill maker. This one is waffle. Here is showing the waffle maker. And this one is sweet. You can call it nutty maker. Let me turn and show you this side. You will come to know with proper way. This one is grill. You can grill your meat. You can grill your sandwiches, etc. Here waffle. You can make your waffle. And this one is nutty maker. Here you can enjoy it, all the snacks or the food, grill with the nut, with the have a juice, nice, feel your food, just the picture. Let's do the unboxing and see inside. Come here, let me show you. Nice stainless steel finishing, and with the light, red light, green light, ready light, on light, and detachable grill plate. You can detach your plate in this way. Heating element. Let's put the waffle plate. This way. Here. Grill, nut. Have a look. Here, one more time. For you guys. Cook at home, good food, good mood. Thank you friends. Thank you so much. Our 3-in-1 big slice snacks maker.